Hi there, welcome back. I'm sorry I've been MIA for quite some time, just very busy with life, but I wanted to come on and show you guys a room that I had just kind of added to, redecorated, switched some things around. So we're just going to take a quick peek around, and I will try and be back with more videos probably every 2 weeks during the summer. And once fall kicks in, I will be back for weekly videos. So stick around, enjoy this little room redo, and I will see you soon. So I got a wild hair today and I wanted to change some things around. I just flip-flopped this little conglomeration from over here to over here. I don't know, I like the way it looks. It kind of makes the space feel larger. I don't know why, but it does. So I didn't have to do much in rearranging anything on the wall. That's great. While I'm here, I'll show you. I just kind of threw this together as well. This piece has kind of been all over my house, but now it's landing here, and I have a couple new items that I wanted to share with you. This item actually is a whistle. It's made in Poland. It's so cute. It's actually a whistle, and I actually have two of the very much like this available in my eBay. As we speak, and I just picked up this definitely 1980s dried floral arrangement, but I am like just loving that, and I feel like the 80s are making a huge comeback in decor. I know that like ducks and geese and swans and all that are back in, and these are wooden carved. I picked these up off of Facebook Marketplace, and yeah, so I just kind of gathered some stuff, my favorite things, and put them all in that little box, and now they live here. This is really cool. I got this off of Amazon. This is it. Actually, I don't have a candle here, but when you have the candle lit, the heat makes that turn. It's so pretty. I bought one for myself and my daughter. They have different designs. This is floral, like a rose or a flower type. I don't know which type it is. I think it's a rose. And it's just so sparkly and beautiful. I love it. Very easy to snap together. Let's see, what else? I just picked up these beautiful crocheted pillows from someone off of Facebook Marketplace. I mean, they feel like they're brand new. I just don't even feel like they were used at all. For summer, I have just placed some ferns here and there among my decor. Another Facebook Market find, this lampshade that closely resembles my purchases from Habitat for Humanity. So I had to pick those up. And let's see, what else? I think I showed you this in a previous video, this little spinning wheel. I love it, it's so cute. I'm currently painting these beeswax little ornaments. I think they're gonna come out really pretty. And so now we come to the side here that I'm currently pondering. So what I want to do is take away, okay, so I feel like, oh, and I just moved this apothecary from there to there. And so then I have this here, and I'm like, draws, I don't know, something's not sitting right for me. And I also just don't like this whole combination going on here. So I'm going to reconfigure. So let me take you upstairs. So we are currently in my very messy office. I'm not going to show you because it is absolutely a mess. I just finished listing so many items. And what I want to do is bring this vintage, I think it's an antique actually. Now I don't know if it's a desk or a china cabinet. Some people say it's a desk. Some people say, I don't know. I don't know how it would be a desk because it's very, very low. So unless it was made for miniature people, which, yes, that could be because people were definitely smaller back in the day. But they'd have to be really small. But anyway, I thought it's sitting up here. It doesn't get much love. I could bring it down there, but it's a little bit wide for the space that I have for it. And I'm just wondering if it would look stupid. Now, the only thing is taking it downstairs is going to be quite a job. So I want to be sure, but there's no way I can be sure. So I'm just going to have to do it. Stick around. And so this is basically what I've come up with for this area at this point. I kind of like it. What I'm thinking I might be doing, however, is painting this cabinet because I feel like I've wanted to paint that. It's not terribly old. It's probably from the 80s. And I think it just needs to be brightened up. I don't want to touch this because it is an antique and I did spend time sanding and kind of refinishing that a couple years ago. So I just want to leave that as is. The only thing I did do is take out, it used to have like all these mullions and a design there, but it was breaking apart and there was no salvaging it. So I just removed it all and then left the glass. And I think it looks good. This is a newer find. Got this off of eBay. It actually hangs on the wall, but I'm very selective in what redware I like, and I think that's so cute. So a little redware cottage. If you look close enough, this shelf is warped, and so it doesn't sit quite right, so it makes everything else look crooked, I feel like. But anyway, so this is what I ended up with, and I really do like it. I like the fact that this chair is over here now as opposed to over here. It just kind of closes up the room a little bit, so it's a little bit more cozy. I brought these candles down. These are candles that I had made, like I made them grubby. I'm not wild about the result. I kind of went overboard, so I'm gonna redo them. Just take you for a quick little spin around. Show you a couple new things here. This little tiny little redware jug. How adorable is that? So it goes along with all my little minis in this cabinet. And let's see what else. Showed you that. Just kind of showing you what I figured and did everything to finish. This cabinet, I need more work. We'll revisit that again another day.